In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start a YouTube channel from scratch, step by step, and some of the biggest key optimization features that most people miss. My name is Matt Parr. I run 9 different YouTube channels, and every single time I start a new YouTube channel, there's a step-by-step process that I go through for starting the channel and making sure that it's systematized and optimized correctly, and that's the process that I'm going to show you here today in this video. So if you're interested in making money on YouTube and growing on YouTube, make sure to smash that subscribe button and leave a like on this video. Now, let's get straight into the video. So if you're watching this video, you probably already know that YouTube is the best video sharing website on the entire internet. And in my opinion, it's also the best place that you can start an online business. And that's what I actually view my YouTube channels as online businesses that make me money every single month, and that's actually what I view my different YouTube channels as. So first of all, I just want to say great choice for choosing to create a YouTube channel, and trust me, you'll thank yourself that you did. You're going to look back on this moment a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, and potentially say to yourself, good thing I started that YouTube channel then. So like I said, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your YouTube channel from scratch and the key optimization features that most people miss to make sure your channel is properly optimized so you can get the most amount of views and subscribers possible. So without further ado, let's jump on my computer right here so I can show you the process that I go through for creating YouTube channels. So first of all, let's go to YouTube right here, and then you're going to want to go to the top right hand side of YouTube and click sign in. And then once you're here, it's going to either prompt you to sign in using a Gmail if you already have one, but if you don't, no problem at all. You just go down here and click create account, and you can choose from these two options right here. For myself, now this would be if you're running like a personal brand channel, but what I actually recommend, even if you are running a personal brand channel or a business channel or a brand channel where you don't show your face whatsoever, which 8 of the 9 YouTube channels that I run, I don't even show my face on. So I always like to choose whether I'm showing my face or not showing my face. I always choose to manage my business from this little drop down right here. And now it's going to ask you to put in your first and last name. So let's just put my name in there. And then it's going to ask you to put in your email address. Now, if you don't already have an email address, you can simply click this button right here to create a new Gmail, or you can just fill that out. I'm just going to create a new Gmail right here. And then you can simply put in your password and then click next. And then it's going to ask you to verify a phone number. All right, so I just went ahead and verified the phone number with that Google account. So now that we have our Google account made, it's time to actually create your channel. Now to do that, all you have to do is sign into your Google account and open up YouTube right here. And then just click on your profile picture in the top right hand corner and then simply select create a channel. And once you select that, you'll see this little pop-up right here. And then you simply select get started. And then from here, it's going to give you 2 different options. One, to use your real name on YouTube, or to use a custom name. And I always choose to make a brand account because then you can actually use a custom name for your YouTube channel, and you're not just limited to your own personal name. And on top of that, you can also add multiple people who can manage your channel. So it's not just limited to you. Other people with their Google accounts can be chosen to be moderators to do things like upload videos, manage a channel, reply to comments, and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to choose use a custom channel name right here. And then simply you can name your channel. So let's just name this example channel right here, Matt Parr's channel. And then you simply select I'm creating a new Google account, and then you select create. And this is going to actually create our YouTube channel. So there we go. The YouTube channel is now created, and now you can simply upload a profile picture right here. So profile pictures is recommended to be 800 by 800 pixels, and you can upload a picture by simply selecting this button right here. So there we go. I just added a profile picture on the channel, and now you can simply write out a channel description. This is going to appear on the About tab of your YouTube channel. So I just like to say a little thing about the channel and try to include keywords that the channel would be related to. So for example, for this channel, let's say on this channel, I'm going to be teaching people about YouTube and how to make money online. I try to say something along the lines of, hello, my name is Matt Parr, and I help people make money online with YouTube. Just try to make sure to include the keywords that are related to your YouTube channel. And if you're looking for a place to find the best keywords to include in your channel's descriptions, in your YouTube video descriptions, and everywhere else on YouTube, I highly recommend that you get vidIQ, and I'll leave a link down below where you can get vidIQ for a discount. So hopefully that helps you guys. Now looking at this, the next thing you're going to want to do is add your website, if you have a website. And if not, what I recommend doing is adding a custom subscribe link. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. But for right now, let's just add mattparr.com, just a custom website right there. And then you can also add your Facebook URL right there, and your Twitter and Instagram right there. And then you can simply select save and continue. Now, this should bring you to your actual new channel page so you can see what your new channel that you created looks like. All right, so the channel was made, and here is the new YouTube channel. So now from here, what I like to do is select this button right here that says customize channel. And once you select that option right there, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. And this is where you can actually add things like your channel art. So to add channel art, you simply select this button right here. You can upload an image if you'd like, or you can simply go to a gallery to see images that YouTube provides you. So let's just say we want to choose this one, and you can adjust the crop if you'd like as well. But let's just say we like it like this, and then we simply click select. And this is going to add the channel art to our YouTube channel. And now, like I said, I like to add a custom subscribe link within the channel link section. So let me show you guys how to do that. So to do that, you simply go to Google and search custom subscribe link. And then from here, I just like to choose this website right here just to find the actual thing that you're going to put at the end of the URL, and that's this right here. So all you do is you take this little string of text right here, you copy it, and then you go to your YouTube channel. You find the main link for your YouTube channel right here in your URL address bar, and then you simply paste in that little string of text, !sub_confirmation1, and then you take this huge, big, long link right here, you copy that link, and then you click this pencil icon right here on your channel, and you click Edit Links. Now what I like to do is for the first link right here, just simply paste in that sub-confirmation link, and then put in subscribe here with an exclamation mark, and then we can simply select done. And now, as you can see, there is a link that says subscribe here, and when YouTube users click this link, it's going to prompt them to subscribe to your channel. As you can see right here, it says confirm channel subscription. Are you sure you want to subscribe? And then viewers can select subscribe, and it's just one more place that you can give your viewers, people who are looking at your YouTube channel. You can put this link in your YouTube videos as well. It gives your viewers one more chance to subscribe to your YouTube channel. So I highly recommend putting it right there. All right, so now that we have that done, the next thing that you're going to want to do is verify your YouTube channel. Now this is going to unlock a bunch of different features for your YouTube channel, like adding custom thumbnails. So to verify your YouTube channel, all you simply have to do is select your profile picture and then click settings from this drop down right here, and then select channel status and features right here. And then from here, as you can see, you'll have the option to verify your YouTube channel. And once you verify your YouTube channel, you'll be able to do things like apply for monetization. Once you have 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, you'll be able to do live streams, upload videos longer than 15 minutes, add a custom URL once you meet the eligibility requirements, custom thumbnails, and all that kind of stuff. So to do that, you simply select verify right here, and you can have Google call you with an automated phone call or text you verification code to your phone that you can simply put in right there, and that's how you can verify your channel. All right, so now that you verified your YouTube channel, the next thing you're going to want to do is go back to your channel page and select Customize Channel. And then once you're here, what you're going to want to do is select the About tab of your YouTube channel, and this is where you can add a country location. So if you select location from this dropdown, you can select your country. And a huge question that a lot of people ask me about choosing your country is that if you choose a country other than, say, the United States, if you're trying to target the United States, would your videos not appear in the United States? Now, that's actually a huge myth when it comes to YouTube. You'll want to select your real country location from this dropdown right here, and this has no effect as to where your videos are actually surfaced on YouTube. What has an effect is the audience that's watching your videos, the type of videos that you make, and the people that you cater to with your videos. In fact, some of the biggest channels that make videos for a US audience are not even based in the US, and you can check that by going to the About page of different YouTube channels. So now that you've selected your country location, now what I recommend doing is adding your email right here, so you can simply add whatever your email is right here, and then people will be able to reach out and email you from that. So now what we'll want to do is select our profile image in the top right hand corner again, and select Creator Studio. So this is going to bring us to the YouTube Studio. And from here, what you're going to want to do is go down to Settings on the bottom left-hand side right here. And then you're going to want to select Channel. And this is going to give you some bonus optimization settings for your YouTube channel. And this is something a lot of people overlook when they're starting YouTube channels, is adding the keyword section right here. And as you can see, this is another place where you can select your country right there as well. But what I recommend doing is adding some keywords for your YouTube channel. And like I said, if you're unsure of what keywords to use, which keywords will make my channel stand out the most and which won't, then I highly recommend that you get vidIQ, and I'll leave a link down below where you can get vidIQ. And also attend a completely free training at the link in the description where I show you exactly how I optimize my channels and YouTube videos to get as many views as possible. This is how I've gotten tens of millions of views on single YouTube videos. So if you're interested in that, check out the link to the free training in the description below. So now we can simply add some keywords that the channel is about. So let's just add make money online, make money on YouTube, and then you simply hit enter on your keyboard to input the channel keyword. So let's also say the name of the channel, Matt Parr, right there, and just add what your channel is about. But if you want to find the best ones to use, I highly recommend vidIQ. And then once you do that, you can select save right there, and then go down to settings again, and then click channel. And then I recommend going to your advanced settings right here, and this is where you can set if your channel is made or not made for kids. Now, I've seen a lot of people freaking out about this online, saying, what should I choose? Is my channel made for kids? Is my channel not made for kids? Don't worry, it's actually very simple. You just have to ask yourself, are the videos that I'm producing on this channel made for kids? And if you make the videos with the intention of showing them to kids, then you select yes, this channel is made for kids. But if not, then you select no, this channel is not made for kids. I never upload content that is made for kids. And this will make it so your entire channel is marked as not for kids. So very simple. And then once you do that, you can also link a Google Ads account right there. And you can select some other options like, do you want to display the number of people who are subscribed to your channel and stuff like that. And then once you do that, you can select save again. And then let's go back to settings and back to your channel right here. And then one of the things I like doing is including branding. So if you go over to this branding tab right here, you can actually add a video watermark on all of your YouTube videos. And I highly recommend that you do this because when people mouse over the watermark, they're given the option to subscribe to your YouTube channel if they're watching on desktop. So this is just one more place that people can subscribe to your channel. So I highly recommend including this option. And to do that, all you have to do is select choose image, upload your image, and it'll appear in the bottom right hand of every single YouTube video that you upload, giving users one more chance to subscribe. And now on the screen as well, you can actually select upload defaults. So if you go to right here on the left hand side, these are upload defaults. So this is what your videos will by default include for every single video that you upload on your YouTube channel. So for example, you can put things like a description, like a section of the description that you want on every single one of your YouTube videos. You can select if you want your videos automatically public or private or unlisted. I oftentimes set this to private just so my videos initially are private, and then I can go in, optimize my videos, put in a better title, thumbnail, tags, all that kind of stuff, and then set it to public. And you have some advanced settings right here as well, such as the video language. You'll want to put that to English by default right here. And you can put in community contributions. I recommend putting that to on as well. Then people can actually submit subtitles and different language translations for your videos for free. So that's really cool. I recommend doing that. And if all your videos are in a single category, you can choose that from right here. So let's say my videos will be about how-to videos. So we simply select that right there. And then we can select save right there, and all our changes are now saved. So next, what I recommend is clicking this right here to bring you to your YouTube channel. And once you're here, go to your profile picture and then go down to settings right here. And then right here, you can actually view advanced settings. And within here, you're going to be able to do things like add a custom URL for your YouTube channel. So by default, the URL for your YouTube channel will show like this, just a random string of characters. To make it look better, I recommend putting in a custom URL. Now, there are some eligibility requirements when it comes to custom URLs, and you can see those right here. You must have over 100 subscribers, your channel must be at least 30 days old, and have a profile picture added as the channel icon, and have some channel art. So very simple things. I'm sure you guys can absolutely do that. And if you're wondering how can I get 100 subscribers in the fastest way possible, you can check out some of the other videos that I have on this channel. And I'll leave links down below in the description as well to the fastest way that you can get 100 subscribers on your YouTube channel. So next I'm going to show you how you can add people to manage your YouTube channel. So right here, right under this View Advanced Settings right here, you can add or remove managers. So if you select that right there, now, as you can see, you can manage your permissions for your YouTube channel. And it might ask you to put in your password again right here. And then once you do that, you simply select Manage Permissions. And then from here, you can actually add more people to manage your YouTube channels. And this is really cool. All they have to have is a Gmail account, and you can add them to help you manage your YouTube channels. Now, this is great if you have other people helping you out with YouTube, like I personally do for 8 of the 9 different YouTube channels that I run. And then from this drop down right here, you can choose a role. They can either be an owner, in which you actually give them ownership of the channel. They can be a manager, in which case they can upload videos, reply to comments and stuff like that. Or they can be a communications manager, where they can just do things like reply to comments on your videos. So that's really cool. You can actually hire people to do things like reply to comments for you, upload your videos, and all that kind of stuff. And you can add them in right here. Or if you have a team, this is where you can do all that kind of stuff. So congratulations, your channel is all set up now. So now all you have to do is select this button right here, and you can start uploading videos. So that's exactly how you can create and optimize a YouTube channel in 2020 the correct way. I hope you got a ton of value out of this video. Now, if you're wondering, how can I grow on YouTube? How do I get subscribers, views, all that kind of stuff? And how can I make sure that I'm not just wasting my time with YouTube? Check out the links to the videos in the description, as well as some playlists and all the different resources that we put together to help you with your YouTube journey. And also make sure to attend that free training at the link in the description. It's going to show you exactly how I run 9 different YouTube channels, and more importantly, how I make a full-time income from those YouTube channels. And while I can't guarantee that if you attend the free training, you'll automatically make a full-time income from YouTube, what I can guarantee is that you're going to discover the same exact strategies that I use within my YouTube business to run 9 different YouTube channels. So I think you'll get a ton of value out of that free training at the link in the description. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Now check out this video that's going to show you exactly how you can get views and subscribers and grow your YouTube channel fast from scratch. You're going to get a ton of value from this video right here. I made sure that you won't just be wasting your time with this video right here. So thanks so much for watching, everybody. My name is Matt Parr, and I'll see you in the next video.